Okay, so peoples, today we're gonna do an unboxing of the tripod. Zaya, do the honors. Yeah, we're not that good. What the heck?
What? It's a Chobani?
Oh my god. Yeah, we don't need that. Is there anything else? Oh, dang. That was a waste of money.